What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be smoking some home style burgers. Alright, so for this recipe we're going to need a couple of things. I have in front here 2 pounds of beef. We're going to add a teaspoon of salt. We're going to go ahead and add a teaspoon of pepper. We're also going to add here about 1/8 of cayenne pepper. We're going to be putting in 3/4 cup of breadcrumbs. And then I'm going to add cooked bacon and some onion. What I did is I cut about 1/4 of an onion and I sauteed these with some butter. And the bacon I cut about 6 ounces of bacon, which is like if you go buy a pack, they're usually in 12-ounce packs. I just cut it down the middle and I chopped them up and I baked them. Alright, I didn't bake them. So that's going to go into the mix. You're going to need 1 egg to combine your ingredients. And the last thing is you need 2 teaspoons of this Worcestershire sauce. I don't know how to pronounce it, but you know what I'm talking about. That's 1 and 2. Then we mix this all together. So your consistency here should be something that's kind of like sticky to each other, not still loose. That's how you know you have it all mixed in. The next thing to do here is to separate them into your patty sizes that you're going to want. 6 ounces. Ball it up. Put it down. Put the parchment paper on top. Get yourself a plate or something flat and just give it a light press down. The farther you go down, the farther you press down, the thinner your patty's going to be. You want to keep it at about 325 to 350 more or less, and lay these bad boys onto your pit. Flat. So you want to do this quick and then close it. Once it settles down, you can go ahead and open it up. For the last thing here is putting some seasoning on your meat. So we're going to smoke these at 325 to 350 degrees more or less until the internal temperature hits at least, if you're looking at getting it well done, about 165, 170. So it's only been about 3 to 4 minutes smoking them at 325. So I'm looking for a temperature of about 165. It's already at 176. What I'm going to do is I'm going to flip these over and let them get some markings on the other side. But these babies are done. I mean, they came out quick. It took longer to prepare these than it did to cook them. They cook really fast. So the internal temp of my hamburgers have gotten to about 170-ish, 175 roughly. That's what I want. I'm going to open this up. If you see some little white foam coming out of the top, that's a very, very clear indicator that they are done. Next thing you do is you just pull these babies out. That's how you make quick and easy hamburgers or smoked burgers in your barbecue pit. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please go ahead and check out my other videos. Catch you guys on the flip side.